Yeah. Oh, I was watching.
Seemed like land on your side.
Yeah.
I don't want to jinx myself though.
Yeah, definitely. There goes the... This could be bad. Awesome clean fish here. Still got some really nice, good looking fish around.
Can't complain. Still early in the morning.
Absolutely. Good start. Solid 10 we need. We're gonna keep that fish. Maybe I'll do a catch and cook on some of those fillets. We'll see. That's never coming back. That's the one. It's literally what you freaking hooked earlier, dude. 100%. Little buck. I swear, bro. This is a bad one. That's in a... What's my bobber doing? Not worth it, dude. It wasn't even in the freaking shot. Oh. Gotcha. Yeah, that was a little disappointing, but we'll take a midday skein fish. Another little buck. Little bucks. Season of little bucks. They're so angry when they get hooked. Yep.
Oh, no. There we go.
I think I got that bobber down, so this will be in the video. Cool fish. Good clean fish for this time of year. Dude, I need you to catch a king here, bro. That was bold. You're thrashing. Oh. There he is. Whoa. Oh, that could have been a brown. That could have been a brown. No, it's never good to have a hot dog. Hot dog skein chunk. No. They want a perfect sphere. We know that. That's him. What is this little thing? It's way out of the camera.
Little guy.
Dude, I'm telling you, I've been getting bit back there every single drift. There's a stack of little guys. That ever at least got some GoPro and a salmon. Can't really complain about that. I don't know if you have to net this guy. I think it would be embarrassing if you netted this guy. Respectfully. I'm set pretty deep back in there, so I thought I was dragging and I just started checking really hard. In the last two drifts, I think I had bites. Oh dude, check this. Stinger only. Look at that. Oh, come on, you gotta stop. Stinger through the nose. I'm gonna lose him. Oh, I freaking lost him. Oops. Love that. Somehow it was recorded. It's a freaking buck.
I saw that.
Do something. Come up.
Quick head shake. Your face when you're out, you overtop the log and around.
I thought he did that on the hookup. This thing really is impressing me with its strength to stay down.
It's got some room. Oh,
Barrel roll. Dude, thank you, bro. Okay, guys, another skein fish, and it's pretty much the same fish I've been showing off all season. Buck. Not full grown, but still an awesome fish. Really tough fights on these guys, and hopefully that bite showed up. I'm gonna let this guy go. Ready? Mm-hmm. Alright guys, so that's the end of the fishing part of today's video. Here's what we brought home. This is the fish that Trost caught this morning. I know a lot of you guys think we're crazy for eating these things, but the texture on this fish, still alright. You know, it's not as firm as you would want it to be, and obviously these things are really pale, but we are going to go ahead and eat this. I'm going to try to do something with this that I've been wanting to do with river fish for a long time. I'm going to blend these up and try to make some salmon burgers out of them. I think it's going to be a really good potential way to deal with these river fish. We got to keep them, you know, if you guys want to see Bobber Downs fishing with a skein, we got to get the skein. So want to make as best use of the fish as possible, and I've tried some different things with these in the past. It's edible, but that's about it. So I'm hoping this salmon burger is going to work out. I also thought I would show you guys this meat. This is some fresh coho meat. As a comparison, this is more what you are looking for. Bright orange and by Michigan standards, of course, and a lot more firm. We call this fish surf fishing at night. That'll be a different meal where it'll be more fish and less other stuff, but for these guys I'm going to mix these up with a lot of other stuff and make a burger. I'm actually going to follow a recipe almost exactly from my buddy Kyle. XXL Chrome Chasing is his YouTube channel, and he's been doing a really good job. He's been making tons of awesome videos, and they posted this recipe in one of their videos to make these salmon burgers. They did it with fish fresh out of Lake Michigan, but I'm going to try it with this river fish, and hopefully it'll work out good. So I will link that recipe. That's where you want to go if you want to figure out how to mix all this stuff together and get the right amounts. I'm not going to say any of that. I'm just going to mix it together and try it out and see how it tastes. that recipe on Kyle's channel pretty much exactly. Changed up a few things just based on what I had. One thing I noticed is these things don't hold together very well, so I stuck them in the freezer for a couple minutes. I got everything ready to go here, and I'm going to stick them on the pan with medium heat. See how they fry up. Alright guys, first patty here. Before I make this thing into a burger, I'm going to try it, make sure it's good, because I have no idea what this might taste like. To me, it has a very strange appearance, almost chicken-like. Cooked up nice though. This is insane. I cannot believe that this is salmon. This literally tastes like a chicken nugget. This tastes like a well-seasoned chicken patty. This is just absolutely amazing. Huge shout out to Kyle and Maggie for sharing this recipe. This is like honestly a game changer for me. If I can make river salmon taste like this, that's just an awesome way to make good use of these fish. I cannot wait to get this thing into a burger and try it. So I'm gonna make the rest of these patties up, fix them up into burgers, let my girlfriend try one, and hopefully make an awesome meal out of this. This is just really mind-blowing right now. So good. Here we go, salmon cheeseburger. I think you're gonna like it. I was really impressed. Get some?
Mm-hmm. It's really...
Get a little bigger bite. Make sure you know you're eating.
It doesn't taste like fish.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
Will you eat more in the future?
Yes, I will.
Alright, that's awesome. We have a great use of our salmon. I'm excited to get mine made into a burger here and eat it. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time.